Hello everyone! Today we're going to do a great 10-minute vocal warm-up. I think it's important to have a few exercises that you know work for you and that you can practice and improve each time you do them, plus a few that are newer to mix things up. As we work today, I'll give reminders about some things to focus on as we go through each exercise. Let's take a moment to check in with our bodies. Notice your alignment and your breathing. Come to a place where you feel tall, but also relaxed. Take a few low, deliberate breaths, and you can release on a sigh. Keep it gentle. Check out the description below if you'd like to see the syllables that I'm using in these exercises. Also, feel free to change octaves during any of these exercises if that's what your voice needs today. Let's start with a V sound on. As you go through this exercise, aim for some openness inside the mouth, even though the lips and the teeth are providing a narrowing. Not Here we go. And thinking about the sensation of a sigh, let's sing on sa la sa, like sa la sa la sa. Here we go. Sa la sa la sa. 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 Let's sing. This can bring some power, some coordination, and efficiency in. Be careful that that doesn't translate into adverse tension. We don't want E-A. We want to allow the jaw and tongue to be soft. Your turn. Let's come back to a lip trill and sing. If a lip trill doesn't work for you, a good alternative is a tongue trill, like or a relaxed hum with the teeth apart. And go. some interval work as we sing ne-o-e-o-e-o-e-o-e, looking for relaxation and some commonality between these vowels. Ne-o-e-o-e-o-e-o-e, 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 Let's relax downward with here we go. Finally, for a bit of range and flexibility work, we're going to sing on zila zela za. It sounds like this. Zila zela za, and go. Zila zela za. 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 And a big sigh down. Thank you so much for singing with me today. Can you do me a favor and double check that you've subscribed to my channel? Olaf wants you to subscribe to my channel. It helps me reach more people. There's also a notification bell that you can hit if you want to be notified every time I publish a new video. Keep singing, and I will see you next time. Olaf wants you to subscribe to my channel. Don't you, Olaf? What are you looking at?